everyone, this is Esther Gifted Hands coming to you to show you how to do Nubian Twist. This is the hair I'll be using. This is the first trick that I do. I wet the hair. Yes, I wet the hair. It makes it better and easier for me. I don't know, but it doesn't make it wiggly and keeps it straight. So here I am cutting the hair in half. My client wants short Nubian twist, so this is what I do. This is my client head. I like circle parts. So here I am doing my little circle part. Put a little edge wax around it. Make sure it's nice and neat and perfect. And here goes the hair. So I take the hair, I leave the hair in one piece. Then I wrap it around the hair. This is trick number 2. I open it right there on one piece and then I start to braid. Trick number 3, I pull the other side out of the hole, and then I continue to braid for about maybe like 3 times, and then I start to twist. So twisting, I just follow the groove and just let the hair just naturally fall into the groove of the hair. So if you notice that it is not falling into place in the groove, that means you're twisting the wrong way. So once you get the hang of Nubian twist, you'll realize that most of the Nubian twist hair, you have to twist from left to right. So that is one of my tricks. So I twist left to right to make sure that my hair is falling into the groove correctly. So now that I explain a twist, here goes another one. This will be my last time explaining. It's really easy to do, guys. So once again, circle part, put my little product around it, whatever product you like to use best. I like edge wax. I leave my twist in a hole, take it, wrap it around the hair, then open one side of the hair into 2, and I do that so it can have 3 strands while I'm braiding. So here I am opening it up and adding her hair to one of the strands. Then I wrap my fingers around, start to braid, and then I pull one of the strands out the hole. So while I'm doing this, if you notice, I never open the Nubian twist hair down all the way. I just do it just at the root at the beginning, because the end of the hair is going to be twisted, so you don't need 3 strands at the end. So here am I braiding, and then after a few braid, here goes a twist. Boom, twist it up. The rest is history. Once you get that groove, you just twist all the way down, and then you move on to the next one. So one thing I will say about this style, it is best to do when the client hair is fully natural. Sometimes when a client hair is too straight, that straight ends sometimes will stick out through the hair. This is more likely a protective style for natural hair. Not saying that it can't be done with bone straight hair. It definitely can, but it's done best when the client hair is natural. And another thing I will say about this twist, it looks better when it gets old. So the older it gets, the better it looks. I honestly love this style. I've gotten it a few times, and I will show you pictures of what it looks like when I've gotten it. I've gotten the long one. So if you want the long one, you just don't cut the hair in half. The short ones, you just cut them in half. Long one, don't cut it in half. If you can't find this hair in stock in your local hair store, sometimes I just Google Nubian Silk by Eon or Kadi. I sometimes find it on Amazon, or different websites on Google. Now there is a second option for this hair, and this is the picture of the hair that you can also buy to get the same look. This is it right here. Now, I did find this at a local hair store, and I was so happy because it is very hard to find that Kadi Nubian Silk brand in stores. Also, one more thing is, some clients say that it's kind of hard to remove or take out. So the hardest part is when you get to the root. If you have a girlfriend, kids, or a husband, let them do it, sis. Don't sit there and struggle. You know, as a hairstylist, I always tell my client, if you cannot take your hair out, please come back, give me a call, and I will sit there and take it out for you in the correct way. That way you don't have so much hair loss. But yes, all you pretty much do is untwist it the opposite way, and then when you get to the root, you just unbraid it. So that is about it. Her hair is completely done. I'm taking some braid spray. No braid spray in particular. I usually just buy whatever braid spray that says something about itching or tightness, and then I'll take my braid spray, I'll add castor oil to it, and just, you know, helps it moisturize the scalp even more, because when you get fresh braids, you don't want your scalp to be super dry. You want that scalp to be moisturized. Here I'm taking the scissors and I'm just cutting the shabby ends. Don't worry, when you cut it, it does not untwist. These are locked in, guys, so don't be scared to cut it. Just make sure you're not cutting your client's hair. Cut past that, please. But yes, here's to the final look. These are the short Nubian twists. I will also show you a picture of the long ones versus the short ones in black if you want to see them. But that is all. Please subscribe and like. Give me that thumbs up, you guys. And also check my IG out if you would like to see more styles that I've done. Thank you all, and bye.